Hi everyone, welcome back to Noni's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a recipe that's full of amazing flavor, sesame cookies that you must try. They're perfect with tea, coffee, or as a quick snack. Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 12.5 tablespoons of butter, 3 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of mahlib, and a pinch of sugar. Mahlib is a spice that has a nutty flavor and is commonly used in the Middle Eastern and Mediterranean baking. It adds such a unique aroma to these cookies, so I definitely recommend it. A quick tip, in salty recipes, a pinch of sugar enhances the savory flavor, and in sweet recipes, a pinch of salt does the same. So once everything is in the bowl, form your soft dough. After the dough is ready, cut it into equal pieces and shape each one into a round ring. On the side, lightly roast some sesame seeds until they're golden and fragrant. In a small bowl, mix 1 egg white with 1 tablespoon of molasses. Dip each shaped dough ring into the egg and molasses mixture, then coat it generously with the roasted sesame seeds. Place the cookies on a baking tray and bake them in a convection fan oven at 356 Fahrenheit for around 18 minutes until they turn golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool slightly and enjoy. These sesame cookies are super delicious and packed with flavor. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tasty recipes.